What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Justin Smith channel. As you can see outside, it's starting to get a little bit dark, but we've got a surprise for the YouTube channel, and that's where I'm headed right now, to a good spot to use this surprise. So here in just a second, whenever I get there, I will show you what the surprise is. So we are headed to pretty much like the highest spot in the town where I live. Pretty much, it's like a lookout kinda. It's just like a pretty high point. There's all kinds of businesses and up there. But there's really never anybody up there. It's like doctor's offices and they all close like 4 or 5. So it's currently 6:40 and we are headed there now, but I'll give you a little sneak. So should make some of the YouTube videos a lot better, and we can do like a review video and, you know, all kinds of videos on this, and then use it, you know, in each and every video just to make cooler content. So we're headed there now. It is pretty much right up through there, out that road, like a mile. So as soon as we get there, we will get this thing out and go ahead and throw some shots up on the screen and go over what we have here. All right, so pretty much we're just gonna go up here to the top of this mountain and just be as high in the town as we possibly can. I think it'll make a cool shot. It's starting to get kind of dark out, so we gotta kind of hurry. All right, guys, so in this box or briefcase, I don't know what the actual term would be, in this little case, we have a DJI Mavic Mini. So it's a little bitty drone and it gets freaking awesome shots. I flew it around and practiced with it a little bit. I'm absolutely not the best with it. Your phone goes into here. This is like a little collapsible case. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook all of this up and show you. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my phone out of the case because that's the only way that it'll fit. So your phone will plug right into this right here if you have an iPhone, but then you just push it up through there and get your antennas up. So then we're gonna open up the DJI app, and that's gonna pull that up. Since we've done that, we can open up the propeller wings. And this thing literally just fits right in the palm of your hand. It's not at all like massive or gigantic. Go ahead and take off our camera cover. This has a built-in gimbal and everything. So this does 4K. We're gonna go ahead and power it on. Now we're gonna go ahead and power on. So now we can go ahead and power on our controller and connect the aircraft Mavic Mini. And there we are. One quick thing. I forgot to put the joysticks on. The joysticks mount right here. I forgot to put those on. Let me go ahead and put those on. And pretty much it'll show your battery life right there. We're at 100%. Our controller is on 3. And pretty much to take off, you can just click this button right here. And then you have to hold on this. And then it's gonna start up. So it's kind of quiet, honestly. Okay, so I'm not the best at flying this thing just yet, but pretty much your left stick goes up and down, and it spins your drone in like a complete 360 as well. And then your right stick is gonna go forward or backwards. So pretty much, I don't know if it has very good night vision, and of course the actual footage that it records is gonna be better than what you're seeing on your phone. So now I'm gonna go ahead and swap what you're seeing over to the drone footage and fly away and fly around a little bit. But we can only fly it for a little bit before it gets dark. I don't really wanna be out here at dark, not being able to see very well. Anyway, let's go. I'm gonna fade into this. Okay guys, so now the battery is low and it's dark. So we're gonna go ahead and take this left stick and just run it all the way down to the ground, and it won't let it slam into the ground. It'll land itself pretty much. So after that, we can go ahead and turn it off. Then the bottom wings first, then the top wings, then turn off the controller. Close out the app, and that's it. So put the camera guard back on, so it just drops in just like that. And then you've got your battery pack charger right here, and that's just gonna drop in as well some way. Maybe that goes in this one. Yeah, I think that one goes in this one. Like that. Then your controller fits in here. And these little knobs, they unscrew and will actually snap in here. It's dark out, so I really can't show you. Then we can set our controller back down in there and zip it all back up. So this case is literally the size of my head, which is, my head is quite large, but for a drone case, it's not very big. So I've got the case right there. There's one thing that I hate about leaf springs. I cannot wait to 4-link this thing in the rear. The rear and like the leaf springs like squeak, I guess, somewhere they're powder coated. I don't know. Maybe spray it with like some oil or something. Still have to wash this thing. That is gonna pretty much be all for this video. I just wanted to make this video because I was excited to try out the drone. But I will put a link in the description to where you can pick this drone up on Amazon. And yeah, so we're gonna be doing some more videos with this drone in the future. So keep an eye out for that. We'll do a lot better video in the daytime and stuff, and really get a lot better footage. Especially once I learn how to fly this thing. I cannot control it at all, hardly. Not smooth with it, not really, I don't even know how to work it hardly. But the more we fly it, the better we'll get. Anyway, thank you all for watching another video here on the Dji Mavic channel. Always remember, everybody starts out as a nobody, and I will see you all in the next video, which should be hopefully this weekend. Peace.